Good day, guys. It's Cameron from Monster RC. Today we're going to be lighting up yet another one of our cheap, crappy things, except this one I actually bought for this, so it should be a bit different. Yeah, I guess I'll just get started. So we're going to put our gas in on it. Try not to get any electronics wet, because the electronics is exactly what we want to keep dry, because I'm going to light it up with it on. So it got lighted, dropping. There you guys have it. She's melting. And she's on fire. Now she's out. So we've got our Morph helicopter. I'm gonna put some more gas on here. More gas equals more fun, eh guys? Alright, guess that's it. So we'll just pick it up. And there she is. All melted and morphed. Look at the front of her. But, see if she still works. She still works. Isn't that nuts? The melted helicopter still works. Alright, I guess that concludes it from Monster RC. You guys have a good night. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. You can now follow us on Twitter and Facebook. Have a good night.